Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. I wanted to do a quick video on function versus derivative versus second derivative and what all that information tells you about the function. So if we have a function, okay, then when I'm highlighting in green, that's when the function, well, let's highlight in red, when the function is literally decreasing. So the function is literally decreasing up to here. We are increasing here. We are concave up the entire time. Concave up. And then we have a minimum right here. Now, say this was a graph of the derivative. Let's mark what it would tell us about the function. Okay, so now let's chat about what derivative, if I'm looking at the derivative graph, what it means in the function. So when the derivative is positive, here in green, the function is going to be increasing. When the derivative is negative, here in red, the function is going to be decreasing. When the derivative goes from above to below, so positive to negative, the function is going to have a maximum. And when the derivative goes from negative to positive, so from below to above, the function is going to have a minimum. When the derivative has a negative slope, or the derivative's decreasing, the function's going to be concave down. Pencil test, put your pencil on, that's a negative slope. When the derivative is increasing, or the slope of the derivative is positive, the function's going to be concave up. When we change concavity, that is when we're going to have a point of inflection. So we're going to have a point of inflection right here, P of I. All right, what if I give you the graph of the second derivative, and I want you to answer me questions about the function. So here we go. When the second derivative is positive, the function is concave up. When the second derivative is negative, the function's concave down. When concavity changes, here and here, the function is going to have a point of inflection. And look at this pretty color-coded diagram. There we go.